And so it's going to have you do the same for all of them. And remember, you don't have to keep your hands up. You can keep them down at the table. It's just with your eyes. Welcome. So I'll have you press and release, and that brings you to your home view. And you'll see that kind of shows up. I'm going to have you look at the Photos app. No, you're good. Over here, you can also practice scrolling. So I'll have you scroll. Perfect. And then you can also practice zooming in to see the words bigger, like how we did. Exactly. Look at it. A pro. Yeah. And let's say if you want to resize the screen, if you look at the bottom right corner of the entire screen, tap your fingers together. And then look at the bottom right, perfect. You can pinch and drag and you get to resize that however you like. So this is what he's seeing over here. I'll put that in the video. All right, so for now, I have us look at some stuff that's a little bit more interesting. Do you see that girl on the top left on the red couch?
Yeah.
I'll have you select that picture.
What?
No worries, so you're just gonna look at it. Perfect. Yeah, it takes a little while to get adjusted, but you'll kind of see the entire background got darker. So let's say if you get this and you like to do a lot of video editing. So I'm gonna have us go to the next one. This is my favorite part. So before you select anything, this is your basic panorama picture that we all take on our phone. Yeah, exactly. If you look at the top right, you'll see an immersive button. That white one, perfect. You can just select that. Perfect. Welcome to Iceland. So it is 180, so if you turn to your left and your right, you'll see that you're fully in there. But you do see the store in the background later on. And while you're in this shot, I'm gonna have you scroll to the next picture, which is another panorama. Perfect. And this right here, yeah, you're on the coast of Oregon. So when you are in immersive, you can't zoom in, sadly. Only if you're on the... Yeah. When you try this on, it will look more 3D, and the iPad, it doesn't look. But he thought he could touch the cake, so...
It looks realistic.
Alright, and the next one is another spatial video, but this was taken on the phone. So you can put that all the way to your right side, out of the way, on top of you.
Like, can't you like move it out or like?
Yes, that's why they measured your hands in the beginning to see like how far your distance is. Alright. But now I'm gonna have us put it on top of you, just for now. And then I'll have us look back down at your dad, and I'm gonna have you press and release your digital crown so you can bring back your home view. Perfect. So before we open up any app, like you're completely immersed in it.
Where in the world is this place?
So this is Joshua Tree. I don't necessarily know exactly where it is, but I can find it for you. But if you look down, you can still see your hands because that's what they scan, but nothing else. And I'll have you look towards me. Sadly, we don't have the YouTube app on here, and the Safari doesn't let us search up anything because it is demo. But if you were to get one, you can watch as many videos as you would like. And you'll see that this is what it looks like with all three different apps open. You can resize them, put them wherever you would like. And to resize again, it's just that corner. Perfect, yeah. All right. But for now, I'll have us close out of all of these apps. I'm gonna have us look at some more interesting things. He's like a pro at this. He's gonna ask for one.
I'm back.
All right, I'm gonna have us open up Apple TV.
Apple TV.
Yes, on the top left. Perfect. So with your Apple Vision Pro, you kind of can get a movie theater wherever you go. And if you look over to the left, that gray slide, look all the way to the bottom to library. I'm gonna have us watch a 3D movie. I'll let you pick if you want to watch Super Mario Brothers or Avatar. If you have a preference. Perfect. And you can always resize it if you would like.
Wait, can I do this?
Yeah, of course. And you can be in Josh's tree watching the movie.
Is this like the trailer?
It's like a short little clip that they prepared. Posing personal animals, swimming with the sharks.
What?
Yeah, if that sounds interesting, it's 180, so when we select it, you can look all around. I'm gonna have you select the experience immersive between the Super Mario Brothers and the Avatar, that one in the middle, and enjoy it. And remember, look up, down, left, right.
See apple. Wait, will the sharks attack me?
Only in the...
Who's that guy?
This is crazy girl who wants to walk over.